The time has come. Over 850 golfers from over 25 countries and 46 states, competing across 7 challenging courses for a chance to be crowned a champion. The journey to victory isn't easy, but these golfers have come too far to back down now. For many, this is a moment years in the making, a chance to become champions, to prove themselves on the national stage. The Hurricane Junior Golf Tour National Championship is coming. Time to storm the greens.